Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and granting permissions, so the camera AI can access sensors and the photos library. Once done, open camera, choose the photo mode you want, and tap to focus. Make sure AI capture is turned on in the UI. That tells the system to analyze scene data in real time. You're not just taking a picture, you're feeding the AI structured inputs like focus, exposure, and depth. This immediate setup reduces corrections later and gives the AI useful context for processing. Next, refine how the AI interprets the scene by adjusting camera controls while previewing live. You'll use the exposure slider and depth control to influence bokeh and subject separation, and switch lenses 1x or 0. 5x for composition. When the AI proposes smart HDR or night mode, accept or tweak it so highlights and shadows stay natural. Make sure to follow live preview suggestions. The AI shows framing and white balance tips that improve final results, so act on them before you hit the shutter. Finally, inspect your photo and use the edit tools where AI enhancements are suggestions you can accept or modify. When ready to share, open the share sheet and pick format, resolution, and privacy options like removing location. If colors or subjects seem wrong, first toggle AI off and capture again to compare. If problems persist, update iOS, restart the camera app, or reset camera settings. That single troubleshooting step often clears model glitches and restores expected behavior, so you can continue shooting with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.